Hello, colleagues. Greetings of the day. Today we will be talking about a series of biosimilar versus biologics. In this series, today we will be talking about inherent variability. Colleagues, there is no standard definition of inherent variability for originator biologic or biosimilar biologic medicines. Therefore, there is a inconsistency in how inherent variability is described. However, to understand the definition of inherent variability, we can break down the dictionary definition of both the words. According to Merriam-Webster dictionary, the definition of inherent is being involved in the constitution or essential character of something. It is belonging by nature or habit. The definition of variability is being able or apt to vary. It's something that is subject to variation or changes. Now, if we combine the two definitions in the context of inherent variability, means minor variability is an essential or inherent characteristics of biologic medicines. And this applies to both the originator biologic medicine and biosimilar biologic medicines. Colleagues, since the production of biologic medicines is complex, reproducing the protein structure and its folds to create a biosimilar is more challenging than creating the chemical structure of a small molecule generic medicine. And a manufacturer who is developing a biosimilar must demonstrate that its product is highly similar to the originator biologic by extensively analyzing the structure and function of both products. And to do this, state-of-the-art technology is used to compare characteristics of the product. Colleagues, minor difference between the originator biologic and proposed biosimilar biologic in clinically inactive component are acceptable. For example, clinically inactive components include minor difference in the stabilizer or buffer. Any difference between the proposed biosimilar biologic and the originator biologic are carefully evaluated to ensure the biosimilar biologic meets its higher approval standards. As mentioned earlier, minor differences are expected during manufacturing. And for both originator biologic and biosimilar biologic, load to load difference will occur, but they are carefully controlled and monitored. And this is true for both biosimilar and originator biologics. This figure provides a visual example of how an originator biologic and biosimilar biologic may differ. You can see in this case, biosimilar biologic has less sugar molecule on one side chain, but the main product backbone is identical. Now, let's talk about impact of inherent variability on safety, purity, and effectiveness. Despite minor difference between the originator and its biosimilars, regulatory body ensures that they have no clinically meaningful differences in terms of safety, purity, and efficacy. Now, if we talk about summary, minor variability is an essential or inherent characteristics of biologic medicines, which is called as inherent variability. And this applies to both the originator biologic and biosimilar biologic medicines. I hope this video must have given you a lot of clarity about one of the critical characteristics of biologic medicines or biosimilar medicines. Thank you.